Alright guys, so I'm at Cajon Pass and we have a BNSF double staff coming up Cajon. It's a tier 4. Oh look! It's a Santa Fe, it's not a Santa Fe, but it's a Warbon BNSF. Like right there, you know? Like right there. There's a BNSF Warbon. It's the long train ever. I know I heard an engine. Look at how huge this thing is. Ah. I'm holding my tablet very good because the wind is blowing me up. It's blowing the wind. Because I knew we heard a horn somewhere. I'm gonna head towards this tunnel right there. See how long this thing is. There it is right there. That's the tunnel. Coming up though. Behind there. Right there, this is where the engine is coming. There it goes, heading up home. Huge it is, but it is pretty huge. I couldn't let the train come over here because I'm right here. I couldn't let the train come here at track 3, and so I could record the video like much better, but it just came. And the other thing, again, that's like over there. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm just gonna make a single video about a BNSF coming up to home, and yeah. Sorry about my fingers, YouTube. Didn't know that. I'll see. But it is heading over there pretty slowly. I don't see the end of it yet, but it's pretty long. It's a massive. Oh, why are my fingers always in the camera? The camera is right here. Make sure I don't break this camera. But that is a massive train. Very massive. I think I hear something. I hear the helpers. I hear the helpers. I don't see the train over there yet, but I hear the engine. Oh, it's a mid-train. There's some engines right there. That's a mid-train. Oh my god, this is gonna be the longest video ever. I'm just gonna make a single video. I don't wanna post this thing very long. Hold on, bumps. Hold on. Sorry about that, you I was talking to my dad, so. That's a mid-train. Oh my god. It's gonna be a long video for a freaking train. That is the longest. That's a long train. Like this size of a train, that long, it's crazy. See how crazy that is? Okay, I'm not sure if I could make a good vision, but I think I see the train over there, like way over there. I'm not sure you can see that, YouTube, but it's over there. I see the train over there. Look, you see over there? You see? That's the train right there. That is the train. Like over there. Okay, now let's get back to it, to the other one. Like some mid-train helpers. Very long. Sorry about that, YouTube. Finger always in the way. Okay. So those engines are heading over there up the Sullivan's curve. And now let's continue about the train. It's like some mid-train helpers. Long, this BNSF train. There are also a BNSF war bonnet on that. What's this? That's a long train. That's a massive and longest, biggest train ever. You barely hear the rails over here. I don't want to, drop my tablet. Helpers, I thought it was the end of it. The end of the train, but there was some mid-train helpers. That's a long train. Very hot because my hands are tired. I've been holding this thing so much. The train is here. I have to. Dang, that's a very long train. be the end of it. I hear it. That must be the end of it. Yay! I can't see it, but the end of it's right there. I end the video when the helpers are coming. There they are, right there. I'm gonna end right about here when this power thing is. Finally, it's the end of it. That's a train. Pretty long train. I'm gonna end the video right here on that tower post when the engines are getting a little closer. Okay, I'm about to. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is my first time going to Cajon. We've been there like about a week ago. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!